Mampeni wa attorney general kasa wa take decisions bi na minim se sa decisions na wa take no enye wono ani pemu no sore ya se o take such decisions ya meka ho asemi ebi ni se waba bontene ababe twitwa cases bi a na ye nyina ye nim se ewo court na court di sansem wono ensem no dodo na ye twemu no emu dodo na dibeye mfie nwotwe a MPP ba akonwa so wono ebehwehwe nkrata mu na omuhwehwe nkrata mu no edu mpempenso bi a na womunsusu ye mu no dwirim bi akoso ketasehye bi akoso oman no ahwiri sika ewo efa bi enti sene oman ne mra ne kire no ewo se womode sa nipa ne famra kwan so aban no eye ne saa ema ye nyina ye nitua ewura no mu ahodo a ye bo wo mu kwadu edi o mu kogina asemdibia na one of the cases attorney general atwemu na no de me sure say Ghana fo nyina ne me be ya dwene se sa case no na enye case wo se abandada no atwemu sa meka democracy hub fo asem ya amanfo call demonstration ya ye kwachichi wo mo ne ade ye man handle bi mu eno de misusu se we could have found another way of dealing with the matter than say ye de ebekwa kogina court na ya criminalize enemani bia emabunu ni yeye eno nipa dodo na ne attorney general ya adwene ewo sa democracy hub case na ma discontinue no basa mampani se obetie Ghana fo wo mu nkasa ye fa decision attorney general de aba ho a obetie ni yie pa objectively a obehunu ni se for a lot of people womunye NDC for no womunye MPP for no this decision didn't come well menka say NDC for and I menka say MPP for but the civil society community check the comments from anti-corruption crusaders DB negate the mood of one more. We have known them to be neutrals towards our decision. Mampeni matina si asisi cases bi na minsusu ye ne se ebi anka unya ho abotre kakra anka bi ebeboa Obia, you can have your own perception. What would tell me? You can have your own perception. So, and I say, Alaji Collins Lauda, Saglemi Hansen, we no crown, no be any mistake, case be any war. Okay, Sam, no one yagene. Utie case ni mua. People have questions to answer. Sa ambulance asemiya a course way. I think, sir, adia bandada no. Eti wo ho ene enipa wo mu de omko gina court because yesi ehwehwe wono mu a ambulance asem no efa wo mu echichiri wo mu kompa ebi ananka the honorable ato force ne Richard Jakpamo no they will not be the ones to answer but there is a case to be answered bibi koso Obintimi enkase Saglemi housing issue na eda hono no pepe yakoso Ghana moka bribia ensi dabi sika moka kire parliament si edi besisi sadan eni babia yesi dan ni kodu ye eni sika na aka clearly kira oman no ahwiri sika yantam for no value enti people have questions to answer regarding cases here attorney general watwam question is mampani mu twam na moagya ne saa anaasɛ moretwa mu na moahyɛ aseɛ foforɔ. I really would love to know, because sekoyese we have discontinued with the cases enti enu ano no akire din yenka ho asemu biemu dia na mampani Ghana fo bedi ho yaw kakra. Ghana fo bedi ho yaw. Emra President Akufo-Addo te akonwa so. Oya ade bi ma obegye din bi. Edin a obegye ye no eye Chief Clearing Agent. Sa din no, sa nickname no, sa title no besi ne President Akufo-Addo te a ha ne pa ote akonwa so on several occasions. He tried very hard so obe pepa sa din na free no so. Now so watching mu time say din na da no so, because indeed the evidence that he cleared people without any basis ne wo ho enu achi kura abrante ba kwa wo clear no Pius Enam Hagide ono aye ne campaign okoka na nu muto kotil na nu muto e kire mabunu say Australia crowd and crofo koye. Meanwhile, scandal yi ba ya President Kojina Kofodia ka se ne ho song as if say visa racketeering bia nkoso enso asem ni siye. He cleared them. Bampani nanka menkwada adwene ni se obamwa sa cases yi. Well, because suswampa mu position ni se wono mu a abandada ne kwadu bo wo mu no omonye eboni bia kasusuam pa sa na tie dia na uye mampani a you company on the back of corruption ebo abandada no sobo ka so me corrupt omo lutu enunti wo setting up operation recover all loot. The expectation would have been say sampampa sa wo munye boni bia eno ne NDC ene President Mahama mu position ya nanka awose oma sa cases e travel ni full course na ewura no mu ya ye de kwadu ya bobo wo mu yi wo mu enkokumpre na wo mu nji wo mu ti bijidi se eno mom ebe ma omo adimu enu momu ebe boa wo mu enu momu ebe kire se onya mampani a osuso kataso momu asoso. Of course cases bia che but ye nyina ye nim se criminal cases wo hoi enye 3 days asem mampani wa wo ya we enti se ATS ni a ya prosecutor se du agongo ene Dr. Opuni enti omu ni basis omu ni case bia enti na ATS di omu ntimi fo bia ntumu enu nti ya ba betwamu no eno nya asem a wo ka kire Ghana fo beto ya so ne papa mu a wa banka wo se wo ba be ye bribi fufuro yi wo ba be reset Ghana yi wo de Ghana ba be si highway no so monchimonka bia ni ho nanka yetimi akone a ye bibia fufuro no nanka the expectation is say sa individuals yi almost every year ewo wa bemu ebinum nya the opportunity of getting government contracts ubeja wo mu na go through the process go through the process na say ye wie na court to say Alaji Collins Dauda Saglemi housing project in semu edo to so court atena se hwehwe nsem no mu yetie ne oman ne de to so yetie ne lawyer kan ye cross examination course nyina ye hunu enkrata nyina da ho Alaji Collins Dauda ohu so Ghana fo misusu se eno momu bedi mu ama akire se ampa uye mampani a oji accountability di akontabuo die. Because it cannot be said. Say, Abainfufra Benti. Criminal cases involving party a wawini nkrofo ye twam saa. We are setting a very bad precedent. Ebi a na ebi asipen enti na wonso take inspiration from it. But you see ye reset Ghana and only asema de to ye trim. The days of clearing people without basis etwam. Emre wose nipa etimi ebu akonta for their stewardship enie. Anunti na wode ora abaye Ghana for na baji so sa no. Because you need accountability ho say obi kosom a ne de oman sika hye ne nsa na osom wie na oman ni susu se ne som a wosom ye no owo ensem eyie ewo ho a esa fata se ye bema na fa process bia asoman yagye atomu ne ahyehye e de ato ho obefam na wetimi e defend ne ho na ofim fia ya hunu no se ampa papa yi enyo so obi krokro no anase obi man special treatment na momuo no ye nyina ya ne tua ne oman ne de ne fa mu ebedu mpempenso a ene ye kase ne ho son se no wabie punu bi na punu na wabie no wonomu a omoye politically exposed persons anase politicians a oman sikasem ebefa womo anim na womo ansom yie na ehon kekawa be keka womo ho no se ene wo koche womo de omu kogina asemdi bia technicalities bia wo se omo deploy e di delay case na till se omo party beba power na omo ba power ye twom cases mu no mbeye yesa akwa se wo de dibone no ya chiwa ne do kokoto a fa lawyer papa lawyer obetimi a frustrate the legal process lawyer obetimi abo delay tactics lawyer obetimi edi asem ni in a way a aban na ode kwadu bo wo no ontimi wie case no no de watum se be ya wo party ba power ye betwa sansem ni mu misusu say as a democracy one of the ways aye nyina ya gye atum say ye de be demand accountability is through the courts it is through the courts ye do kogina court aye fan ko firing squad ye bo kwadu a na no nkire se wo kyena wo koda afiase in fact ye bo kwadu di wo kogina court a eye akwanya mawo kankane wo a wugidi se wonya eboni bia eye akwanya soronko de ma it is even far better than say ye be trial in a court of public opinion eye far better say obi esusu se wadi oman sika ye do be court than say ye be kade ato so na omanfo ebua ofo omeko a unya appropriate forum bia a wode ebe kire wo nsemu di atete wo ho into opportunity pa ena ewura ni mu yenya se anka wo mu gidi pa se wo mu nya eboni bia no wo mu nka no mu bo mu nkuro court na court no ewie na asem wie a ye hunu ba bi asem no ko wie ye misusu se ye de say ya anka bema the integrity of sa empanimfo yi agina brane na koba nso se ampa kwadu a de bo wo mo no edibo na wo mu di fo a ye hunu sa ampa ye bo man sika ho ban na ye demand accountability e de free one mo maso mpen ho lankanya hwe kura kama pani twen kakra mpoe kanya hwe kura twen kakra mpoe animanim haya such high profile cases yahwetwam are we sending the right signals to one more wa ba mu sesi is that to mean say because one can say there you are on record to have dealt with wawon crop pain enti nanka allowing your own people once again to go through the mill shouldn't have been a problem for you. Oti akonya so na Abuga Pele Attorney General at the time edo kwa dubo no one protect no one krokro no one man special treatment bia Abuga Pele MPP ba akonya so na ni case ni da so court ye di asem ni wie ye ma odi from asem no ye di ni papa no koto afiase oni that businessman Philip Asibit. You as president at the time thought say I was say go through the process. Na say wo defense bia nko kasa defense no court na judge ni hwe evidence na ono take the decision based on law. That is what you did. So why take a different approach upon coming back into office as president the second time? Why? It doesn't send the right signals about your resolve to deal with corruption. And a certain precedent in Sua. A man for be taking advantage, you be trying. What ya chiwa ya do akokotwa bompaya say o party be win elections o party win election ya say we disikano undi sikano boni bia koso kronu bia nkoso o party aba power nko ade kwadu bia dia ba obi ebetwam. It is not good for our quest for accountability. The Prez Mahana Gihubiem. What I am happy about is that we are nolly prosequa, which means that the state can come back to the matter at any time. Until the opportunity to go through the process is still there. It is not lost entirely. Some of the cases, and I'm also say a witch hunting, until the wrong people were targeted. Mampeni. What you would consider a proper investigation. Now, you consider some of the right people because such cases now a quadrunia double boss and penny fueno. So cannot just be a hoax. we must have a proper finality to the matter. We have spent millions of dollars. What bank spending millions of dollars? But the project was never completed. There are accountability issues about Sikano. It cannot be said, they say, sa. Timampeni, Ginubium, Shasemunubiem. And in politics, I am very young to advise you. But it is said that timing is everything in politics. Timing. Every away dear. Every away dear. Who here ewo amanyose mu pa. It is as if we say now the whole desire was what the power pe. Mumon pioneer ma power ye ba power per cases when you etwam. With the empire na mumon to me ye ba power because the speed with which and the timing of the discontinuation of such cases we know too early. Abantem and sa entemna abano creates the impression say all you were waiting for was the political power to free these people. The president said, "Womunye boni bia, womuhu soa, and come a court process new year." ankayema rule of law na yaji atumu no rule of law no and travel ni full course in wie ensem na ye ka ne nye obi ni obi ntamu asem eye Ghana sika ho asem na ye ka nti yemfa ne se Opening Collins Dauda wo de wugidie mu no onye aboni bia. But what about the totality of Ghanaians? Womu hu sa asem ne saying now the individuals themselves no sa discontinuation of cases we no mampani wo susu se ebeboa wo mo ankasa image ana and a one ankasa wo image as president a wo reset Ghana na wo was setting up a committee to recover all loot. Wo susu se action we are taking and then what body ni a wo pese wo gie in the fight against corruption and then the bebo ana asama maka na wiei obi ni me be adwene obi nso ne menya adwene badnyame anim nukure nie enya no na mehwe sene wo wa adwene na asomasi wo na adwene no saa nso na me nso me wo ma adwene obia be kire na adwene but the wia adwenkyire ni nyina ni wia 4 years time sa adwenkyire yi ene be form Ghana for perception na ababedane opinions na omakwa express wo opinions at the polls. Misusu se kebi anka ma homre kakra ana ansa na wo ba be yes adie ana wo ma cases e travel ni normal course anka bia e de animonyam hye kase mu be brew because ade ba ko a edi Ghana nya eye kataso muamuaso menkrofo ka ho binti yen hwese ne ye be manage no enu ti na mekofa abuga pela asem de ba you know say otia konya suompo you set up an interministerial committee to investigate Jida. That committee came up with a report. Based on that report, the Attorney General advised and they said, opinion not that Jida no. He has questions to answer. Philip Asebet or a private sector man, or questions to answer. Even when you had the power not to. Inti say enewa kono ba. And interestingly, Abuga Pele case no travel 2 dispensations. O first term, any Nana Akufo-Addo first term. They continued with the case. Yenyina ye hunu baby a case no ko wie yem Abuga Pele ne Philip Asebit kofi ekopie mu efiase. Ene we no mo ye hunu baby asem de bekọ akọwie. Ye twa asem no so. Ye twa so. Say ye no kre, say nye no kre, kwadu e de bo mo, say wo mu say ni mu ye twa so. Asem ne twa. Ya mwa ye ho asoman. We sa ne ma we no emwa man no. Enhye e ka ne simple. Enye nkura nhye na me pese meka like kutupa na ebe hye no enye papa. It will embolden people to feel that so what buying what power you know you are protected. What buying what power you feel protected. But that signal now my in the Jida case no na wasanka ujina hwa say me ye president na say uko disika me hwa ma ya twenwaso. Enti wo ba ye no a oban fufuro bi etwe nkofo bi aso ana ombi omakogina nsem dibia no e wasanka wunya ho abotre ma asem ni wie because that is the principle you have set for yourself. Obi anka say wo mo ye guilty. But how would we know when the process is truncated like this? Be dem nkoda adwene awiai be de ba ye no. Samampani wutie mi a fa kwa adwinwini mu mumusa mo ho se anamon we na yetu ye no, is it in the interest of Ghana or it is in the interest of the party? Yemusa ye ho critically. Is this decision to discontinue such criminal cases way in the interest of Ghana, and I say it is in the interest of the party, and it is in the interest of those individuals? Edemase me bebusa, asembu say, be the besi